So check out the new Cummins here next to the old Duramax. Guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm sure you've seen by now the big old Cummins I got. This is actually just for a transplant. So finally we're getting the Cummins swap on the move here. The 1-ton Chevy we're going to be putting a in, and that's what I bought this for, basically a donor truck. So let me show it to you. There she is. So what she's going to be going into is this 1-ton here. I guess as you can see, it's got this work bed and stuff on it. If you're interested in that, I suppose go ahead and let me know. If you're interested in this body, let me know. The tranny, let me know, because that Cummins is actually just going to bolt right up to the 4L80 that I have in the 1-ton over here. So let me go ahead and show you. This is a 454 that I replaced the head gaskets and everything on not too long ago. So I'm going to be pulling this out here in like the next few days or whatever, as well as this, starting the breakdown basically on both these trucks. And we're gonna transplant the heart into this Chevy here. It's gonna be a Chummins, a good old 1-ton Chummins. Should be really interesting, so stay tuned for that for sure. And again, if you need a Gen 6 454, it runs good. It's got about 180,000 miles. Let me know. Or if you're interested in this Dodge roller, let me know. Heck yeah, boys. So there's the 454 running. There she is. She won't be in there for much longer. Woo-wee. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for this swap and all the videos involved with it. Yeah guys, here's the two diesels. Show you the turbo on this guy. So check out the new Cummins here next to the old Duramax. This guy is going to be used for a the swap. It's got a work bed and it's kind of beat up and stuff, but hey, screw it. Yeah, I literally cannot wait to hear the sound of that turbo coming from underneath the hood of that Chevy. It's a lot grumblier than a Duramax. Turbo sounds pretty dang good though, I have to admit, it really does. just buy that adapter plate. It'll bolt right up to the 4L80 I got in that truck. Heck yeah. Need a trans controller and stuff, but that's a little bit in the future. Like I said, we're gonna start the breakdown on this stuff here in a couple days. So stay tuned. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for this swap and all the videos involved with it.